Hey y'all, I'm going to be attempting to film a small airsoft skirmish. It is me with a Spring M16, my friend with a Spring Uzi, and then my sister and her friend up on the hill, and they have a Spring M16 and a Tommy gun. So here's what I look like. So it's going to be hard to film, but... So, the retard, we had a whole skirmish where we went up the hill and killed them.
You handed it to me, said, here, film it, as if it was already filming.
Whatever. Well, we're going to
tell me it wasn't filming.
Let's go.
All right. Oh, this is bad. They're right up there by the tree. All right, they're pulling back to the fire pit, I assume. Go. All right, yeah, I think they're in the fire pit. I'm gonna breach the wall. See, that was the slowest reaction.
Don't shoot it in her head. This is terrible. Is this thing even shooting?
Ow!
You're hit! Matey's hit!
I can't hit them in the
Film
face.
me, just come film me.
I'm filming. Hitting my hand. Then you're done.
Alright, continue and be good.
Fina, here.
Yeah. Oh, I got shot!
Take it.
I got shot!
Take Preston's gun.
I got shot!
Take Preston.
I got shot!
Give Fina your gun.
No! Give me the gun!
They're very intelligent. She's so stupid. I heard that. I heard it.
I hit her?
You hit you.
What?
I heard it hit you. She actually killed you.
Wait, I'm hit.
No! I killed you!
Alright, so I got hit. Wait, did it hit my grenade vest?
I think so, yeah. I heard the
Okay. This is the first time, but they won. That's pretty good.
I killed both of you.
See what happens when
I
you actually
didn't
do
do it.
something that's... You're not
Okay, you know when it's better now that you're not standing out in the open.
Well, she wants it for them, but she actually hit you. How? How do you guys break everything?
So
You're running it so inconsistent.
So for this video, us two are going to be at the top of the hill with the two worst guns, and them two are going to be...
Both of them. And I'm
Yes,
only
she is 10. She's usually butt crack at Airsoft, and she killed both of us.
The only reason why she killed me because I couldn't shoot her in the head.
brain gun.
Yeah.
All I had was a headshot, and she was able to shoot me, so I
But-
couldn't do anything.